QUINEAR just gifted me their compression leg massager with heat. And let me tell you, I am so excited about this. I love compression massages in general. They are so good for your circulation, for faster muscle recovery, all that good stuff, along with the heat. That's standout. And this is a really easy system to use as well. So I'm going to show it to you real quick here at the table. And then of course, I'll be putting it to the test. Now, of course, you get 2 legs or feet. These are not going to go all the way up your leg. They will stop before your knee. And it is just a Velcro opening. Now, one thing I really like about this one is that it feels extremely durable. It has more of a woven cloth exterior, which is really nice. I have tested other compression massagers and they kind of worry me on whether or not they'll last a long time. This one feels very durable. And on the inside, you can see how it's going to wrap around your foot. This will be the compression section. This is the air tube that will connect to the compressor. And then if for any reason this is too tight for your leg, it does come with extenders. So if you need it to be a little bit wider, you can add on this extender and then it'll give you just a lot more width so you can adapt this accordingly. Now, once you put these on your feet, all you do then is plug the adapters right into this really nice remote control. It's not some big box, it's a handheld control. And then it has a 10-foot cord, so you're really not limited by the cord at all. And then once you have it plugged in, you have your on, off, your heat. You can go through the modes and control the air compression all from this handheld. Let's try it out. So now it's time to test them. It does have a quick guide on how to put them on, so they're gonna be most successful. And then in the main manual, it goes over the different modes. So I'll be sure to go over those elements as we do this. And one thing I missed is that they do actually have letters for right and left. So these are not for either foot, they are for specific feet. Now, first things first, you just undo it completely. I slide my foot in, and it does have a little clasp at the bottom. So I'll hook that on, and then you can just start wrapping it up the leg. And then once you have it on, if you want to tighten it anymore, you can, because then it's already in place. So one's ready to go. And for what it's worth, I am tall. I am 5'11", and I have size women's 10 feet. These foot sections are still very loose and comfortable. And if you had a larger foot, that wouldn't be a problem as it's adjustable with the Velcro. Maybe you wouldn't use the snap, but it does seem like you could adapt this to really any size. So now that they're on, really straightforward there. I just need to plug these into the remote, which really does just have simple plugs right at the bottom. And then I just get to turn it on. Now it's already feeling extremely comfortable and really tight. I don't know if you can see it, but this section is what's filling up with air. So it is tightening throughout as it works around my leg. Very cool. And obviously I'm not gonna be able to get it as tight right now because it's already filled in. But it has 3 different modes. Now the first mode is sequence mode. And that means the sleeves are going to get inflated and deflated up and down. So it's going feet, calves, all the way up, deflate, do it again. Then you have circulation mode. And to get to that, I just press mode to go to the next mode. And with circulation mode, it's actually gonna do my feet and then keep my feet fully pressurized while pressuring up the calves. So it's basically forcing the blood and everything to pressurize in an upward fashion, and then it deflates the whole thing. And I gotta say, this mode in particular is so nice. Really comfortable. And I can definitely feel it. It's pretty tight on my feet, but it also just feels amazing. And now it's completely deflating, and now it'll go again. But I'm gonna switch to the last mode, which is whole mode, and that's exactly what it sounds like. It's going to inflate everything and then deflate everything. And it does have a whir noise. I'm sure you're hearing that. It's not that obnoxious, but it is something to be aware of. And then you have two more controls here. This remote is very intuitive. It has an air pressure control, and right now it's on minimal air pressure. And then it has medium, and then it has maximum air pressure. So you can move it all the way up. And then finally with heat, you can have it low, high, or off. So I'm gonna make it high and see how that goes. Now this feels amazing, and I absolutely love this design. I have tested the ones that go all the way up the leg, and while that's really cool, it's a little bit more cumbersome. There's just a little bit more to it. Whereas with this one, it really is focused where I want to focus, which is on my calves, my Achilles, the arch of my foot. Right now it is fully pressuring, and that is so much pressure. I can really, really feel that. It feels both intense and really good at the same time. And I'm definitely feeling the heat as well. Now, QUINEAR recommends using this 1 to 2 times a day for up to 20 minutes. And I could definitely see myself using this on a regular basis, especially as I'm running. It's a great way to help with recovery. If you've been on the hunt for a great air compression massager for your legs with heat that I think you can build a real habit around, this is a great option. And once you're finished, another part I really love about this system is that it's very easy to store. It comes with a QUINEAR bag for you to just put everything in. If these are not fully compressed, you just press it down gently and they will compress completely. And it does have enough space that you're not having to pack this bag too tightly. You can add in the remote, the power cord, even the manual, and the extra extenders all fit in beautifully. And you're ready to pack this away for next time or take it on the go. This is a really nice heated leg compression massager.